Okay, ask that question.
What I was trying to ask is, in a situation where in
Yeah,
vendors now,
yeah.
people that supply vendors are people that supply us goods.
Okay.
Now, like people like laborers, people like electricians, plumbers that
Yes. Just
we
pay
pay
wages.
wages for,
Yes.
they don't need to come into
No, no, no.
this.
No. So all we just need to do is the next thing that we're about to work on now, which is general journal. We just post a journal for them from any source of income, any source of cash account that you pay them. So what you just need to do, you debit the wages account with description of plumber, electrician, whatever it is. Then you credit the source. If it is from the bank, if you issue check, if you pay them cash from petty cash, any source of the cash account that you pay them from, you credit it, and that's all.
Do they need to have a record, unlike vendors?
No, as you issue, they don't need to have a record. But if you also want to keep a record for them, if they are constant, one thing about some of these what do you call it? Laborers like that, they are not constant. They might work for you today, get another set.
Yeah.
So if you have some of them that are constant, you can have a record for them and be paying them like a vendor. But that's not too cool. But with they are just an expense account. Do you understand? Expense account. So you record all of them under expense account. So if you want to know the breakdown, by the time you check your what do you call it? You check your journal. Do you understand? Your petty cash journal, you see what to pay for. By the time you double click, especially now, for example, now if you open your application, right, you want to get a report for such a thing. So all you just need to do, come to your income statement, which is your P&L, right? Okay, so just get to the report and form. You are still coming back to this place. Income statement report and form. On that section, you get where you have, can you see wages? There's nothing there yet because we have not done anything. So what you just need to do is to do what? Double click on whatever amount you have on these wages. So you now see the breakdowns of everything that has happened with description as a result of paying wages for either electrician, plumber, carpenter, whosoever is busy. Okay, so it's a very good question. So in the next class, we are going to do that. Or let's continue with this class. I don't just want the video to be too long, right? You can see that our accounts are getting set. I don't have intention of coming to this place at this point because these are reports, right? I don't have intention of coming to this place at this point. So let's move on quickly and swiftly here now. Okay. To start, this is one of the backbone of any accounting application. I said any authoritatively. Even though manually, you can't do without journals. Very, very important. Your petty cash, go through journal. Your fund transfer, go through journals. Your payroll, go through journals. A lot of stuff, everything is attached to journals. So it's very, very, very important. So anytime you want to do a general journal for either petty cash, for either payroll, for what have you. So for example now, to open a general journal account, what you need to do is you go to task, general journal entry. Okay, so it shows you your general journal. This is the same thing you have been using your hand to draw. You have your debit, your credit, your description, and the account that took the money. And you know the rules, it must be balanced. If it's not balanced, it's unsafe. Just like if you don't balance, you are not safe if you are doing it manually. General journal must balance. Okay, so for example now, maybe someone came a staff into the account department and you give the person the voucher to write what the person wants to do. The person write water, write all sorts of expenses. So these are regular daily stuff. You'll be using journal to do that. So for example now, so if I want to post a petty cash, right, I can just call it reference petty cash. Okay, it's going to say this day's petty cash. So now again now maybe um you pay for, let's say, Loma. Okay, Loma July, okay, due, whatever is being called, right? Or July payments. Okay, some expenses. Let's say is it NEPA?
Yes.
So like this one now, you click here now to select which account is taking this. Definitely it's your Express account. So can you see all your accounts that we created the other times? They are all here. So you look for Express account and you look for where is normal. Can you see normal? So this one is going to
So
normal.
if you don't have it here,
If you don't have it, just click new
new. Okay.
and add it and create it. Because you know how to create chart of accounts. Right? So you do that because you know how to create chart of accounts. So just click normal now. Okay? What's that? So another, maybe Lagos State Water Corporation. Okay? So you say water rates. Do you get it? You are paying this now. There are so many. Yes, water rates.
Okay.
So anything that is expensive, you'll be picking it and do what? So let's say how much are you paying Loma? Maybe you're due for Loma, maybe 2,000 naira, right? So what are you doing? You are debiting it by what I just did now. You're due for water, maybe 1,750. What am I doing? I'm debiting it, right? Then the person that I want to pay, right? Maybe Salako, whatever it is, transport account, right? Not travel. So now say transport. Okay, maybe to and fro. Okay? To water corporation. Do you understand? And Loma, whatever it is. Okay? Maybe give the person 750. Right? So the total of all these expenses, these are expenses. You can go and on and on and on and on newspaper and some other things. This is just an example. This is total, right? On that voucher. Right? What do you do? Saying 4,500. So where is this money come from? Where are you paying for? Definitely your petty cash account. So you plumb in now, select your petty cash account. Right?
Okay.
Now set cash disburse. Are you there?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Cash disburse. Then you credit petty cash with the same amount. So it simply means whatever we have on our petty cash currently now, let me just go and check. Okay? Balance sheet. Our petty cash is currently 8,500. So whatever you have there now, if I should make the transaction, it's going to do what? Minus it. So our petty cash will remain 4,000. So if I should save this now, pim, you just make a journal now. And this is very important. You'll be doing this every day in most organizations. You can't escape this, except your company is not functioning. Right? So if you come here now, you are seeing the report now. You say, I remove 4,000. Why? Money has gone out. If you want to know, okay, why do we have this? Working note. Double click. Oh, there's a petty cash. Gerald Journal. Cash disbursed. For what? 4,500. Double click it. Oh, Loma. Water rate. This. Is that not cool? So this is what this petty cash is, just one aspect of journal. In the next class, we are going to see how we can do fund transfer. Maybe you issue a check out to reimburse your invoice. Do you understand? Petty cash. How do you do that? So we are going to do that in the next class. That's part of fund transfer. Or you move cash from one bank to another. Any mix. Just the money is just currently is flowing from one place to another. Thank you for listening. I'm still remember myself, Simaj, Software Nigeria. Thank you.